Hello guys, I am Tanveer. Welcome to our channel ARY Host. If you are not subscribed our channel ARY Host, please subscribe our channel. In this video, I am tell you how to get free web hosting and domain registration. Go to your browser and type aryhost.com. aryhost.com, the best web hosting provider company in all over the world. Fast support, WhatsApp. Our all plan 1 month free. Use this promo code NEW2. Select any plan. Tap your domain. I tap any domain. I tap any extension. Continue. If you are buy our one year plan, get free domain name. But I am select 1 month. Continue. I give you DNS management email forwarding 1 year free. Continue. Remove promotion code. I show you how to put promotion code. Remove new to. I check this. जी हाँ फ्रेंड, I get 1 month free plan. Continue. This page you will sign up. If you are not sign up, please sign up. I have already signed up. See this code 9.99 USD our domain price. I will pay Jazz Cash, PayPal, any payment method. Thanks for watching. If you are not subscribed our channel, please subscribe. Click any plan and get 1 month free host. Use this promo code NEW2. In the next video, I will tell you how to install WordPress using ARY Host cPanel or any hosting provider company. Take care. Goodbye.